Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have kind of a different video for you. I've never really shared with you this before, and I know it's something that people used to do way back in the day on YouTube. I don't know if people are still doing it, but I thought it'd be really fun to share with you guys what is on my phone, so like apps and things that I have. More specifically, ones that save me money and then I use every single day or every single week to save money. I think cell phones, smartphones are super duper expensive. They really are crazy how much they cost every month, either to have your service and buy a new phone and pay for insurance and all of this stuff. It really is a huge expense. So I feel like you really need to make your smartphone work for you and get some of that money back by being able to save as much money as possible and making your phone work for you instead of the other way around. So I feel like I really want to focus a lot on the money saving apps that I use. I've got a couple. And then just in general, just some fun things that I use for like my daily life or for YouTube or for exercise. So if you want to see what's on my phone and how I use my smartphone to save money, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my phone. I have an iPhone 6 something. I don't even know what it is because I'm not very techie and I don't really care that much. This one is brand new, but it's still the older model. So I wanted to walk you through and show you what's on my phone. Some of this stuff's not that interesting. Obviously, you see that I have messages, my calendar, photos, a camera, the weather, the clock, calculator, all the general stuff there. I do have a navigation tab, which just has Google Maps and Maps on it because I cannot find my way out of my own backyard. So I need those to get places. Also have Netflix. I hardly ever use that, but we do have a Netflix subscription and, you know, every now and again, you may want to watch something. So I have Netflix. I also have Notes. I cannot open that one up because there is some personal information in there, but also every now and again, I'll keep grocery lists and things, but not very often. Usually I don't use that very often. I just have reminders and Google Photos, which I use a lot because it is linked to my phone and my husband's. So if I need to get a picture for a thumbnail or for Instagram or something, it's a nice way to be able to go back and look at older pictures that may not still be on my phone. I have the Snip Snap app, which is just an app that basically has all of these different coupons people can publish whenever they have coupons on this app, and you can use those for yourself in the store. So sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Like here is one that's take $10 off your purchase of $50 or more at Dick's. So you can click use in store. It's a really great app. It is a little bit hit or miss, especially lately. Fetch Rewards is my new one that I just got. It's basically to get points whenever you grocery shop. So basically what you do when you go to the grocery, you just scan your receipt and you earn points, and you can use your points to redeem for merchandise. So let's show you some of the rewards you can get. What I'm basically saving up for is gift cards. And so if you have 11,500 points, you can get a $10 MasterCard. 27,000 points, you get a $25 Visa gift card. So, and they add up really quickly. I will have a link in my description box for you to sign up. You get bonus points. At least that's the deal that's going on right now. I'm not really sure if it's still going on or not, but usually they have some kind of incentive if you're new and you sign up. It's free to sign up. It's free to use. My next favorite is my Ebates app. You guys know I love Ebates. I've been a member since 2006. I've talked about it so much on my channel because I get so much cash back just for doing shopping I was going to do anyway online. And now they've even expanded to shopping in store. A lot more stores are added to their in-store shopping option. So what you're going to do is go to the Ebates website and you're going to link your credit cards and your debit cards to the website. And then you can put more than one. If you've got 2 debit cards and a credit card, or your husband has a credit card and a debit card, you can link more than one card. And then you go through and link offers that you're interested in. So like right here, Bed Bath & Beyond, I can link that. And then when I make a purchase with any of my linked cards at Bed Bath & Beyond, I'm going to get 2% cash back in store instead of just having to shop online. So that's a really great option. If you're going to be using a debit card, just make sure that you use it as a credit card so you don't put your PIN number in. That way you'll be sure to get your in-store credit. And if you want to enable location services, that way you can see stores near you that have in-store cash back as an option. I just can't tell you how much I love Ebates and how much money I get back every quarter just by doing shopping I was going to do anyway, online or in store. It's definitely a great thing, and I've gotten so much money every quarter just from doing shopping I was going to do anyway. My last check, actually, I shared with you guys in my How to Maximize Your Ebates Check video. It was over $1,000 I'll link that video for you guys in the description box. But just over $1,000 just for doing shopping online and in store that I was going to do anyway. So if you're interested in Ebates and you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up, it's free to use, and you will get $10 bonus cash back into your account after using Ebates for the first time. And it's just a great service that I love. And like I said, I've been a member since 2006. So definitely check the description box for that link. So you'll get your $10 bonus cash back after you sign up for Ebates through the link and make your first purchase on Ebates. And make sure you watch that video of how to maximize your check with Ebates, because there's some really great tips in that video of how to use it and how to make the most of your check, like not forgetting to use Ebates. There's actually a little extension you can add to your web browser to remind you to shop on Ebates whenever you're shopping online. So definitely check out that video. I think it's really helpful. Okay, so that's Ebates. And then I have a Kohl's app, which comes in really handy. The Target app, which of course you need when you need to use Cartwheel and all of their deals that they have in their store. So I love the Target app. Michael's is a really great one to have because they always have coupons on there. And I just talked about in my discount haul video I just did about how that I like to wait until Michael's has a 50% off coupon or 60% off, and I will use that to buy batteries and command strips and kind of pricey things like that. The Vipon app is a new one I just signed up for. It's a free app, but basically it helps you find deals on Amazon. So it gives you coupon codes that you can then go to Amazon and input and save money, like this one. So these little magnetic tile things are regularly $37.99, and if you use this coupon, that makes them $15.20. So I'm logged out for some reason, but it's kind of a hit or miss app as well. Some of the stuff on here is kind of weird, but there is some neat stuff on here, and it's a good way to save some money on Amazon. And then of course my Amazon app, which I shop with all the time, and I use it a lot for price matching. So definitely make sure you have the Amazon app. Okay, then just the Kroger app, which of course I use to load coupons to my Kroger Plus card, which is really important for saving money when I'm grocery shopping. And every now and again I'll do in-store pickup, and so that's a good way to place your order on there as well. Hobby Lobby I have on there just for the coupon. Capital One, Whole Foods, Baskin Robbins, Olive Garden, and Chipotle actually just started a reward program, which is awesome because we eat there at least once a week. So that's a good one to get so you can earn rewards for that. Healthy Living is the environmental working groups app that they have, so that if you're out somewhere and you want to look up a product and how safe it is and what chemicals are in it, you can scan the product or you can browse by name and find out how healthy or unhealthy it is. My Verizon is just basically so I can check my bill and all that stuff, and then Snapfish I have on there. This is just my Pandora and my podcast thing there, and then of course my YouTube and social folder has the YouTube app, the YouTube Studio app, which I use to comment back and forth to you guys and check analytics. FameBit is a marketing kind of a thing for YouTube creators. Layout helps me design layouts for Instagram. TubeBuddy is kind of like YouTube Studio. I hardly ever use it. Record It is actually how I'm recording my phone screen right now. Facebook for my Facebook page. This is like to be able to contact people. Then my personal Facebook tab and Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and then Drive I use to send clips back and forth to myself for Instagram and YouTube and things like that. 5K Runner is my running app. I don't run very often and I'm not training for a 5K, but I do really like this app because if you're trying to get into running or build up your endurance, it does it gradually, and it's free as far as I know. At least it used to be. It looks like maybe you do have to pay for the whole 8-week program now. But anyway, it gives you a little sampling of a couple different days worth of training. I guess they must start charging for it now. I don't remember having to pay for it before, but whatever. I have that. The Disney World app, which you guys know I like to keep on my phone all the time, even if I don't have a trip coming up, but we actually do have a trip coming up in May, so I have that on there. It's got all of our Fast Pass reservations and dining plans and all that stuff, so I can't open it, but and it's kind of personal and I can't really show that right now, but I do have that on there, and you need that app. If you're going to Disney World, it's going to show you wait times. You're going to be able to change Fast Passes and dining reservations, so it's really important that you have the Disney World app on your phone if you're going to Disney. the Bible app, which I use a lot for devotionals or just reading the Bible. I also have my Relax Melodies, which I use at nighttime to listen to birds singing, or they have all different types of sounds that you can use. And there are some things you can pay for, but there's all kinds of free sounds. And it's the best one I've found so far that I don't hear when it repeats. Like, that drives me crazy when I can hear it start over. This one, I don't hear it. You can mix and match kind of different settings together and make your own combination. See right here. So I really like this app, and I use it every single night. And then my Ring app, basically, I've talked about this in my Amazon favorites. We have a Ring doorbell, so it records the front of my house. I can see who's coming and going. I can answer the doorbell whether I'm home or not. I can talk to whoever's on the porch through the doorbell intercom. So it's a really invaluable thing to have. I love it. And that's everything, except for iTunes down here and my mail. And of course right here, which takes me to the internet. Basically, that is it. I think I try to keep it pretty minimal. I didn't have things in folders until recently. Once I started having more than one page or screen, I decided to go ahead and put things in folders. So that's been working out really well to keep everything I need on this main screen. And I really try to only keep on here what I need. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was on my phone, and basically, especially my money saving apps, because there's a lot out there, but these are the ones that are tried and true that work for me, that I use on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So definitely make sure that you check the description box for links for all of the things that I've shown you, especially Ebates, because you want to make sure that you have a free Ebates account, that you sign up, and that you use it for the first time really soon, so you can get that $10 bonus cash back into your account. And then once you get that, you'll see how easy it is to use and how exciting it is for the fact that you can make money just from shopping that you were going to do anyway. So definitely check out the link in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did that you subscribe and you hit the little bell icon so you'll be notified every single week when I upload new videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.